Hey, what's up guys, Kurtashi here, and guys, in this video I'm going to show you some Wowapp payment proof and show you how to actually cash out on Wowapp, how to actually cash your WOW coins in for actual money. Now if you're not part of Wowapp yet, or maybe you've never heard of it before, basically Wowapp is a program that allows you to earn money by completing offers, filling out surveys, downloading apps and trying them out, etc. There's a lot of ways you can earn with Wowapp. But there's also a few other things I like about it myself. I like the fact that you actually, first of all, they actually pay the members the majority of what their revenue is. So they actually pay out most of the money goes to the members, and you can actually earn not only on your own activity, but also on the activity of your referrals down several levels, which is really cool. Also, one thing they really wanted to emphasize is helping people. And what they do is when you earn through Wowapp, they actually take a percentage of what you've earned, a small percentage, and they actually donate that to different charities. And you can actually pick the charities that you want to donate to just by going to your account, and you can choose the exact ones you want to donate to, which I think is pretty awesome. But I'm not going to spend too much time in this video talking about what the different aspects of Wowapp are. I'll do other videos on that. In this video, we're going to be focusing mostly on payment proof. Now, if you have not joined Wowapp yet, you want to get started, I'm going to leave my link down below. You can click on that and get started. It's completely free. You never have to pay anything ever to participate in Wowapp. Okay, so go ahead and click that link down below. And with that, let's go ahead and get started on the cash out. Now, in order to cash out, you can do this either via your mobile device or on your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm already logged into my account. And to cash out, we simply go over to the cash out link right here. And we have several ways we can actually cash out. We can actually donate additional money to our charities if we want to. We can buy WOW credit, which allows us to make phone calls via the WOW app, Messenger app, or the Messenger software. We can buy mobile credit. We can send money to our credit card, PayPal, or we can wire it to a bank account. Now, my personal preference is to use PayPal. Okay, it's because I can send money to PayPal, and I can use PayPal to pay for pretty much anything around the world. So, as you see here, though, I'm going to talk a little bit about the not just how to cash out, but how your totals are tallied. First of all, this is the total earnings right here. As you see, my total earnings are 7,529.44 WOW coins. And the exchange rate is 1 WOW coin equals 1 cent USD. So 1 WOW coin is 1 penny. So 100 WOW coins is going to be $1. This amount here, 7,529.44, is going to be approximately $79.29. Okay. Now, that's my total earnings right here. If you look down here, it says available earnings $59.85. I'm sorry, 59.85.65 WOW coins. Now, the reason why this is different is because what Wowapp does is, when you earn the coins, okay, there's a 60-day hold before those are actually available to cash out. The reason why is because Wowapp needs to get paid by these different companies and places that provide the offers. They need to be paid by them first so they can pay you. Okay. For example, they partner with Peanut Labs and Fiber and other companies, and those companies go out and they partner with different businesses and companies, etc. And Fiber provides the offers, and then what happens is Wowapp will, as you're doing the offers, okay, Fiber is going to pay Wowapp what for the offers you complete, and then Wowapp's going to pay you what they owe you. Okay, so whatever you see on the offer, that's what you're going to get. So basically, Wowapp's getting a little bit more than that, and they're paying you the majority of it. Okay, so what they want to do is they want to make sure they're actually getting paid by these companies. So they want to make sure that that the money comes in first. It also helps prevent cheating. Okay, so if a member is cheating on their offers, maybe using bogus information, stuff like that, those won't count. So you make sure when you're doing these offers, you're actually using your real, legit information. You're not just filling them out and then faking the information, because in the long run you won't get paid. Okay, you want to make sure you're filling them out honestly, completely, and truthfully. Okay, but this really not a big deal waiting 60 days to get paid. Okay, we've all had opportunities where we have to wait 30 to 60 days for payment. Sometimes you'll sell an affiliate product and have to wait to get paid for it. So it's not a big deal. Okay, not a really big deal. So right now, as I said, my total is right here, and my available earnings is right here. Okay, so basically, all you got to do is I'm going to select your payment source, your payment choice. For me, I'm choosing PayPal. I'm going to click PayPal, and PayPal, it'll say PayPal account issued in. You select your country. I'm going to select my country, United States. And then what you want to do is read the rest of it here. All earnings are on hold for 60 days. Current available earnings include all earnings up until June 28th, 2018. So today is the 27th of August. Everything I earned up until June 28th of 2018 is what's available. Okay. Now tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next day, it's going to change. Okay, it's going to increase. So here I'm going to choose how many wild coins I want to cash out on. Now, since this is showing 5985.65 wild coins. That 0.65 is a partial coin. It's like partial penny. I'm not going to be able to cash out that partial penny. See, so I'm going to have to leave that in there. So I'm going to go ahead and cash out 5985. So I'm going to cash in. I'm going to type in 5985. Okay. And my transaction cost is going to be $1 plus 8%. So that's 579 wild coins. I think is what it says. 579 wild coins is my transaction fee. My total is going to be $54.06. So I'm going to get $54.06. Then next I got to put in my PayPal information. It says it's cash out to your PayPal account. Please fill out your associated email address below. So I'm going to enter my email address for PayPal. And then right here, if you read here, it says, we strongly recommend you verify your PayPal information before cashing out. So make sure that's absolutely 100% correct before you actually click continue. Make sure you have the correct email address for your PayPal account in here before you actually click continue. So I'm going to go ahead and type mine in. And make sure that I got everything spelled right. Always double check, make sure. Okay, and then I'm going to click continue. Okay, so it says it's cashed out to PayPal. You cashed out 5,985 wild coins, which is $59.85. Transaction cost is $1 plus 8%. So my cash out, my transaction fee was basically $5.79. The total to be deposited to my PayPal account is going to be $54.06. All I need to do is please confirm with your password for Wowapp. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and enter my password. Actually, I think it's going to encrypt it. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and use my RoboForm and fill in my password. Okay. And then please note it will take 2 to 5 business days to process your transaction. Okay, so I'm going to click Cash Out. Cash Out is being processed. It will take 2 to 5 business days. Congratulations for your cash out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then I'm going to come back when the cash out is completed. So with that, I'm going to pause. I'll be back in a few days. Alright guys, so it's been a little over 24 hours since I sent in my cash out request for Wowapp. Now, as soon as I sent that request in, I got an email right here, an automated response email. Basically, it was an automated support ticket response. So this is my first time cashing out. So apparently what they do is they create support tickets for you whenever you do a cash out. And so that was automatically sent. And then this here came at the same time saying that my cash out request is registered, which means that it's being registered and it's about to be processed. Then at about 6 a.m. this morning, today is August 28th, 2018, at 6 a.m. this morning, I got this email saying that my cash out was processed, okay? And it's going to take a little bit of time before it appears in my PayPal account. Well, then in my PayPal email, I have this email here from PayPal saying that UWowMe Ltd or UWowMe Limited has sent you 5406. Okay, the UWowMe is the DBA or the business name that they're using in PayPal. Yes. So now let's go ahead and check PayPal, and we'll see the actual transaction in my account, actual money in my account. So I'm going to go to my browser here. I'm on PayPal. I'm going to log in. And I'm going to go to my PayPal. And we see right here, we scroll down to here, okay, we have this here right now. Right here it says payment from UWowMe Limited, 5406. And I can open that up and check the transaction details. And right here, 5406 came from Wowapp, okay? So guys, there's proof that Wowapp actually does pay, okay? Now I'm going to be making more videos on how to actually get the best use out of Wowapp. I have my own system that I use when I use Wowapp. I've set a goal to make a certain amount of coins per day, okay? And then also to refer a certain number of people per day or per week. But the main goal that I have is a certain amount of coins per day. So when it comes time that I can do the cash out, because remember, with Wowapp, you have to wait 60 days for those coins you earn to be available for cash out. So I do this so I know that by the time that I reach a cash out point, I have a specific amount of money that I can withdraw and cash out on. Okay. So guys, again, this is my Wowapp payment proof video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. I hope that, if you are already part of Wowapp, I hope that this has kind of encouraged you. If you haven't cashed out yet, or if you haven't used it enough yet, then it kind of encourages you to start using it more often and more regularly. And if you haven't joined Wowapp yet, I invite you to join me and my team by clicking the link down below in the description. With that, guys, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, a share, and leave me a comment down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you're always updated with new videos. And if you make sure you hit that bell notification icon, that way you're going to get push notifications every time I release a new video. Okay? With that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.